Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen table.
And hello and welcome back to my festive kitchen table. As customary, I'm sure Simon will tell you in just a second to have a drink on the kitchen table, as I'm sure you can see just there, as I'm all festived up. Could do with a bit of tinsel on my globe, actually. Today I have a beautiful 2004 port to sample. Sadly, no Stilton just yet, but cheers. That's strong. Simon, back to you.
Where I'm currently packing and there's stuff going on. I only feel like I've only just unpacked from the exciting adventures of last week, more of which will be coming on this channel soon. But before we go any further, I'm in desperate need of a beverage. I'm just enjoying the Black Pig, a McLaren Vale Shiraz. It's bloody nice. So for me, cheers. Mine's very fruity. So, yes, unpacking. We are off to the NEC this weekend because it's the UK Drone and Technology Show live at the NEC. We are going to be teaming up once again with the Civil Aviation Authority, the CAA, as we have done lots over the past year, to talk about sharing the air and the Drone Safe initiative. We would love to see you there. I know there's lots of you came to say hello who came to Sywell in the summer. Be great to say hello to you guys. Come and see us on the CAA stand and come and talk to the guys from the CAA. They're really keen to show that they are real, they are human beings, and they're going to have plenty of people there to answer your questions. If you're a recreational user like me and you have some concerns, come and have a chat with them. If you're a commercial user, you want to find out the best way to go about changing your permissions or doing anything like that, come and talk to them on the stand as well. As well as the Civil Aviation Authority, we've also got some reps there from NATS. NATS are the UK's air traffic service provider. They're the guys who do most of the air traffic control in this country. And I know that Les and Will from NATS are great guys. They're really positive. They're very pro-drone, but they're actually just going to show what the knock-on effect can be if you have your drone up somewhere you shouldn't. What is the knock-on effect if a major airport has to shut its runway, even for a short amount of time, just to make sure that you're not going to infringe their airspace? And it's a really powerful demonstration. But as I said, they're not anti-drone. They're very pro-drone, but they're pro about doing it in the right way and showing you why they're saying that. It's not just about being the fun police. So that'll be cool to come and talk to them. It's great that they're supporting that as well. Also, we've got compulsory drone registration coming in about a year's time. Okay, and so we've got some people there who are actually working on the back end of that scheme, and they want you to let them know what your requirements for that are. Are you a recreational user? Are you a commercial user? What sort of drone flying do you do? The more information you give these guys, the more that registration process is going to be slick and simple and easy. And so that'll be great. And come and have a chat to Barry and me. We'll be there doing our thing, of course. Also,
so every day, just after lunchtime, the CAA will be having a open question and answer session. You can ask them what you like. They are a very normal bunch of people. They're an absolute pleasure to do these sort of events with. And you can go and ask them questions, whether you're a commercial operator, whether you're somebody that is a recreational operator, or whether you're just somebody that thinks, I want to have a go at this drone lark. What do I need? What can I do? They will be there. No need to be embarrassed. You can ask them anything you want to, and it will be answered as accurately as possible by the CAA. So that's every single day, Saturday and Sunday, just after lunchtime. The CAA will be taking your questions live. So another reason to head over to the NEC for the 1st and 2nd of December. So that's the 1st and 2nd of December. Head over, NEC, it's the drone show. Myself and Simon will be live on the CAA stand. What more could you want? Time to spend some money, I think. It's nearly Christmas.
The other thing you need to do is come and enter the competition. They've got a snazzy new iPad system. You can come along, you can take a quick quiz about the drone code and all the things you should know already, and you've got the chance to win one, possibly more than one, drone at the show. More information will be revealed on the days, but basically come along to the CAA stand. You'll be able to just answer some simple questions that I'm sure if you watch this channel you know the answers to anyway, and you'll be entered into a free prize draw to win something nice. So that's a great thing to do. Come along and do that. We'll be there having some fun. There's loads of other stuff to see at the show. It's the first time the UK Drone Show is co-located with the Technology Show Live. So there's loads of gadgets and gizmos. Great time to spend some money as it's just been payday allegedly. So, you know, it'll be great to see you there.
Brilliant. So I've got to now go and pack my pants, and I'll see, hopefully, fingers crossed, see you there on the 1st and 2nd of December at the NEC for the UK Drone Show. Myself and Simon will be on the CAA stand, so come and say hello. And maybe, no, we won't be having any port there, I can guarantee it.
Indeed. So thanks very much. We will see those of you who are coming at the NEC in Birmingham this Saturday and Sunday. Come along to the CAA stand. We're near the drone auditorium area. Come and have a chat. But for now, I better get packing. That's it from me. Till next time. Cheers.
Cheers.